Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Mbadi na tilmili ala nkwali kabla Kongo TV la programu no madron. Ngafu mi ko na banko meaning our country. Bi fana mfele murtala na studio kono jang talan say kata talan kono ndo mbetarra le jang. Bide mbadi mala kaftam fi jang na studio kono jang. Menketa arafang jawlati bari janninga dun programu kono nsi mbadi mabulani njiber lal sinyo konton miliyaran golle ka Kongo TV fo ala bar
assalamu alaikum rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh mbe jibir la be kontona anin melka Kongo TV follow nyimo ka follow fana sakata ya follow kado programme le kana nyin TV do programme kuma ba banko dum be nyanda mello na hani manke banko dum anal badi malam arfan jawla sandu misra.
Exactly. Arafang abaraka bake kafum fi na programme to jang me yalan ko lekere na banko ti ngamra ni ko na banko mo kulet me yalan ko mobile tapiji surtout ni na banko la tanyato la tem. So to start with mbe ba kala mutar ne modi me ango sandu diwna mudi ani brada wolum sandu misirati. So recently ngamoy ko alla ward council min kata sekuti drame da kata modi me yalan ko relocate to America. So ete munela ela what would you say what do you say about that? Comme kaji ko mumi yalan ko ya tumbum pratara leji all of a sudden the kaita alla duty bulaji.
Nyaji be na banko kulo mealan ko akuma yata bare akono fanuta bake ku jamala bako ite keno la banko diundi imila banko kan number 1 ite keno la banko diundi banko la kaito table ite keno la banko diundi mealan ko ite la banko diundi safla to their interest for it ila own personal view la jibe kan on the area of politics because nyame banko dingo ibe kayto sotoral ni sita doko lebe doko kala yela mol nafa pour yirwasina wala ke mol ye tambini sa ni te kira kansuloti ide be perspective men jibe kan melie electoral perspective men jibe kan politicianol melan ko be represent la India flag wala perspective men jibe kan imanke kilindi na Gambia political cross nyame akata nyame na banko la karola funding chol be opportunity la nyinin kay mantra banko la yirwa jibe kan banko la tanyato mantra ka jibe banko sita no nyaadi le mantra ka jibe banko diwon melian ko be represent kan ila conditional be mun condition si falle kono isi bono mun condition si falle kono im kaw banko diwon ta ye engage in dialogue ibela sula dal jelale muna nyanda ko sula dal solve ini ba kacala because itelle yalon bari ni be man jibe kan na representative full man ko jibe be muna jibe ka grina pastor
so mbadi wonan kale arfan nakum mumel mi ako funding kewli jama bi je don e ka kemo to mel yalon ko kanale pour ka opportunity soto most of them are opportunists mel ya ngangale ka fonya kunu nga fale numbe arfan touré kolla me yalon ko ay afoko GUMC me yalan ko lo mila nyaton ko de Talib Ahmed Bensouda ko ako kabir hanabe UDP la organizing secretary mole mat me yalan ko amuka singulo anena ma singulo sandu bankoka so mbe arafan ko la do nga soto programme to mba dundilan na programme to men keta arafan touredi afa won sa mo ya fona komi munati nade ko nyin muka Talib muketa mot me an ko hani wat me be UDP anene manki muti me alon ko atata ji ako wati do soto da fond doron italia katala pour allo assalamu alaikum arfan e be live on Kongo TV yo generation TV baraka ba ke ngi soto na programme
okay baraka ba ke
exactly last time selte safir fi do kanno me alon ko ya direct me ya wolam Talib Ahmed Bensouda me an katala UMC la nyaton ko design kaji ko mole mat me alon ko mol be carte final la nyaadi natri mam mol la ko bla sokola so ta Talib moti me an ko na da sandu found
no from my experience and as a member an executive member of United Democratic Party Catherine Ngalong Charity also is the national and organizing secretary of UDP. Catherine Woto Nenemaje for another Sandule Purutana political tolerance. It has never happened. I'm not sure of it.
So exactly, so Talib Monti me anko hani wat me be UDP and man na sandu.
Correct, and I'm not correct.
Exactly. So ñing ko be kala mul bala nyaadi le surtout men yalon ko lebe sandu ye moji me yalon ko anan mi la wato so man time so la ko la bari kabira political party lordon sa la sta nyaati li naji.
Of course, you know, to me along ko more especially the youths many along ko the young na tundo kanjang. Mo jamala kanyin ko kaje ko ila political career almost one can say talbe is in politics for almost 10 good years. So it a consequence like Sandu adu UDP activity jamala sort of Sandu kono jang o be ka in a relation on so Pokana de wato menna agana masing lo Sandu kono so leadership ale itegi kita pemonyan to dang bani muru ta community ko nge ma ba to panate banko la ni ka you think we can able to vote for those people reala da kwale ala so nina mkuti me alon ko e funding ko lu nya kuya o karola kaje ko nito bero di la mulla meli alon ko e bukandul dang so nila kakana ka penso to no o tumole ke nya de mulla dul panal mantaro mo si pal dang kunna
Exactly.
no kanyo sandu kono ya
Exactly. So jama safo ko niya jali be komandiro ke kan Talib las kal sulu albe sula rabul fen wala nal ba fa ke say nana ta dra sal ke fen. What will you say to that?
No. Manke kuti me alon ko to nyamu. Oli alon na ko to manke MC ko tu. Mo la kinde alon ko ya UDP. Alum de UDP le na mambo UDP pana and we will never leave that party because one party me alon ko to ya de ko. It lombe banko ni fundindila it le mo pana de jankuna. Ite dula la kola in banku kan ita ko to la dita banku ya ma tin ko tudandi tundo kan ate tundula to amate kerim pan in banku kan. So waya kinna ko molo me alon ko to kitala ko ni na tero dia la ba be nya kitala yo so kami mel kaje ko to mandiro ko nyin kamara pro te tel mo kula kale ko mapena ba dunga men ko kapru mo ya mo nyin kamala sinastan mo jama sinastan no kaje ko ni mo nastan abri ito pa rin ko almost 10 years ito na me singulo wolo banko wolo tundo mo kan tay ni na ko den ke ko ito be tan ni nin kam banko je ruite do walen yu tingo mo nyante te dangula ko
Koleala.
ni mundol panak nastan kaje ko ito to sanna mo si pala ko ngana ka do dina
Exactly. Okay, Arafa baraka ba ke kontanta baraka ba. Okay, wala mu Arafang Touré ti donam abota da wala youth leader da abota Sandule. Atle ba fo ka wonyama ko Talib Ahmed Bensouda molti me yalon ko ameti la wato soto bar sain ka bira lafta dunna politiko kono doron avec ke kam moti me yalon ko alafta da so Arafang be Arafan nok e tuma la ko mo moy ñola ako Talib moti me yalon ko ko mi yanene man Sandula wato soto sago sangi tanga be politiko kono ne man ta Sandu. So what will you say to this that nyaton ko me yalon ko ni sulo be molto famuto nyaton ga sifal hawla ma dala pour kibla palaso
saying ali woni Gambia la politiko jibe ko be mbotana Sandula kansulo men fala talibe dunda politiko kono but ama experience sort of politiko kono he have little knowledge on politics.
So Talib like experience do about
is
politics
too low in politics because nyaji be politiko jani be duna kono yenda maturity sort of number one you should know the four corners of this country. Gambian politics is not one day. It's just like building a house. It's a foundation. The foundation will allow in a step by step. You have to tour the whole length and breadth of this country. If you look at the politics in the Gambia, you go to provincial areas, Sandu is even ahead of Basi in politics. Go to history. Go to history, you look. Sandu, there has been a massive down in Sandu. And it happens in Sandu Misira, opposite the primary school. When you come to politics, you sideline Sandu, you don't want to win. You don't want to win. Because by looking at Sandu, you have Misira, you have Kuongu, you have Diabugu, you have Dasilami. These are very big villages in Sandu. And they are connected. By looking at the social aspect, they are connected. You marginalize one village, you will not in the other village. Looking at relationship with Sandu Misira and Sandu Kuonku, Sandu Kurao, these are connected villages. Even Dasilami. We don't go deep into the history, but you marginalize these areas, you don't go there, don't expect anything from them. They are content of what they have.
Exactly. So,
to be honest.
Exactly. So, do you think that Abikela right to the people of Sandu to actually vote for Talib? According to him, as far as he is concerned, and then sort of put Talib asking for Sandu. So, do you think that Talib multi cartel final idea?
Sandu multi cartel final Talib Sandu. NPP fraction. But for UDP, nobody. I can assure you for that today. Out of every 100, only one will join Talib. But for NPP, mom, they can go and other parties. But UDP is the stronghold. It's the stronghold because Sandu people have seen that since Marina lose power or lose that vote in Sandu, they have not seen any tangible development at all.
So kabiri manera bueta it left off but jamaba for ko jete kabidu wala.
No, Jade, the time Jade come to Congo TV, Jade have seen that the people of Sandu have been querying. They query a lot. Whether he knows it or not, they query a lot. Congo TV have shown the people of Sandu that, yes, you people, Momka, you are now part and parcel of politics in the Gambia. You are marginalized because media was not approaching them. Congo TV have approached a lot of people have been following. They now know that Mahanera have done a lot. My brother, Mahanera have done a lot. Because I've seen Mahanera. The land and bread of Sandu, Mahanera have been touring. Mahanera have been meeting people to know their problem. Especially farmers who have been marginalized in Sandu. People don't have their groundnut money. Or their sales of their groundnut. What did Jade have talked to, what did Jade do to the people of Sandu?
Ila tafala Jade man Congo. Bari ba fo kan Jade man turam masin nui. Nyo turam masin di mul la milialan ko fana bisano development.
I have followed that one, Aliu. Jade yo kele, but Jade maluru ne yake. The people of, yes, the people of Sandu, they are listening to me. Jahanera maluru ne yake because munegara Jahanera kabrana Congo TV Jahanera be complaining. We have seen the so-called Dr. Tal. Is it Talibo? Talibo is a so-called doctor. Yamuneke Sandu, nothing. Mani kaloro yo di mola. They don't have anything to put in that cooking pot. Where is it? Fertilizer, nothing.
But Talibo ya fa ko Ibrahima Jete mi fonke because Mahanera fa mo because apani hajibi fon kamul sonni nyoka wala kamul nati nyoka pour badia ni kammo taritima. Ako actually Jete le yoka ko Mahanera time mo man tarje. What will you say to that?
Yes, you know, that is his own perspective of the political issue. But if you look at Talibo is an MPP sympathizer. An MPP sympathizer will say things that you know is going to suit the media or is going to suit their party ideology. But the reality on the ground, we all know that Sandu is divided since Mahanera left or Jade comes in because there has been a push and pull in that environment. Because until being ajele ko, Sandung Kol left a menna. National Assembly muka jaite mo ya ko foje. Muko mo de
ikaka diamu.
Naka diamu aka MPP de fasa, bara muka Sandung Kol la wilfong amalong. Aliu, mbe wati do banko kan sainteng, mumanya na kalero di la mola. Hani mani boto, mumanya na kadi mola natra amandu disaster kono. Si nae kacha iti left munela muna site yirwandino o ya nyininka mune bata bul. If you look at the development perspective, amari bafulele. A bafulele clearly. Ntede nsura da jabandola, ntede nsura da marcella, mu marcel sifa mbenna gadini fion sambala dame. Ase sanno o nsura da munela mbenna gadini fion mabola dame. O nsura da munela ntede natio ni ngasa ma sekoro amaka sang ikal ke jurolan ka batano. This is the time is nyanda kamuneke your collaboration will build you and the central government will see mitigate no nyadi barantela National Assembly representative of Mantro kekan Sandu.
So it's not about Jade Munda say. What is he doing in the parliament then?
Jade, I can say Jade is a sleeping parliamentarian. He's a sleeping parliamentarian. He's sleeping at the parliament.
Have you ever seen him in any other senior in parliament?
No, ninga fo nya that perspective mukaje ko muka nyale bita sinora. but amandra na fasaro kekan sandun ko lafta munela sandun ko lafta mulwasi fa dun sandu ni nyaka total jibe mel ketaje sandu mu bankol te melalan ko ya fasa ande dino le fasa ngol safirol bejele nin sama keta o janin sama parliamentarian wol nyanda ka futela tundol kanne ngol be mum preparation si falla wol mandar kekan ngaje nyin si fal siata sandu banko kan ani Gambia banko kan parliamentarian kilinde maje mem findita atata famal nyininka atel ni mum plan si fala be siri o mun be caring because ala mo nyi futa ni sub regional be den border siaka like Senegal fanin dulale asia endin affect Guinea Bissau affect Senegal endin that affect Senegal affect Gambia mandrol beji kan kasi Banjul is totally unacceptable for parliamentarians if it is session is a sinoji but when demand arises they should even stop that sitting and go and answer to their people nga kole aku jamala sor samal kono ji problemo fonyo problemo samala feriote ngol beka sotole bar mor sudana bankola representative fo tundo representative fo la melialon ko ibe nyum ko fo mansay bajele ko next running session asi talano o asi stop bar mo kawolje because nga fille ko itelle nyantantel fasala banta bato bar banta ba na ke banta ba mialon kafo ko kuma kawon la kafo banta bato o sondrolo kake ko banta bato melan kafo banku diun fon o tundo mol fon mo ka ba kalam mo lafi wo sifala jaytela karo ani mahaneral karo akamdo shuto nin tilo nsa defend ni jayte fon be sila jan nice sa kongo TV I can defend that up to the last dot.
So it left off like me if you were to compare the two mahanera nin jayte mahanera menke jayte mo okay.
They are uncomparable, Aliou. They are uncomparable. Because they were the sort of misira. I've seen Mahanera going the length and breadth of this country. A Sandurada. A monkey coming to Tonomino Watori. Because Kanyam for Moleko, politician is they are cheating the youths, more especially the productive youths. If I am a representative or a sport administrator in one of those villages, I will reject it. I want to see you at the right time. Tilikando for the territory sita. Mulka free bakele. Engage them in horticulture. Engage them in animal rearing. Engage them in poultry production, even agroforestry. In a sea, Janis Samabe Sida, is all plan will bail and dinole. Means amanke kumengo samala kono be tono meno bina bol ko no I see it as a time where youth waste most of their time. Yes, because this a generation of deforestation is affecting us seriously, but people just give a blind eye to it or they don't know. But it's the time youth to come together and give a distance to leaders who don't adhere to their demands, who are not at the doorstep of those youths, because it is killing is very vital, very important. But Nitele Plus also they sit at Combo. They sit here and forget about them. Nin Chocho Siata, media, that's the time they run back.
Exactly. So, Alfan, because the role of a parliamentarian actually is to go and represent the people. At the National Assembly. But committee I feel like Macan Koniam Jedem mold me along ko at a mandar Sandu called represent.
No.
So Etiamuta, the people of Sandu, what should they do?
They mean the Sandu Nyanta Menkela, and the Tamila Badialan, and the Tamila Nyolong Lale, and the Tamila party representative Lale, and the Tamila ruling party de Siring, Modinilla candidate and we vote for them. That is a big problem in our politics in the country. Big problem in this in our politics. Because it is a ruling party in Mala Mota, President of Development or Party in Development. No, you are a taxpayer. Every taxpayer deserves development. Parliamentarian or muka sudden development biji muka na banko kang or tundo kang. Bari kamuneke, it can influence role in the government. It can influence totally in the Bantaba or the National Assembly to amend laws or put in regulations or laws melan kafoko wala be tundol ning banko or local government shutla development o si sotono banko diun si sembo sotono banko diun si yiriwa sotono banko diun si keno modi melan kafoko be employment o sotola but nyimu kule di melan kafoko ngam molle elect melan ko they don't see this or they don't know it, or if they know they give a blind eye to it, because ndekajele ko donors and fundings will not last. And then you beka bula wale no. Ngata nga duku president koto. Ni duku da president koto. Ebe duku la electoral koto. That's a fact. Tell the president that the people of Sandu, they have a problem in the area of drinking water. Pipe-borne water, they have a problem in that. Ni area meo nati. If they have a problem in cattle or cattle rustling, or cattle animal rearing area, yita si yaitan the parliament or nyine biji. Same parliament with the local government, with the with agriculture, will sit and discuss. In that discussion, they have a representative, the extension workers. You see, engaging them with the beneficiaries will mitigate some of this problem. When Tobaski comes, people hustle. A ram 18,000, 20,000. The people they will give pressure to is the people in diaspora. The government, the 1/6 cannot give you a ram. You all know that. Some people, their 1/6 is even less than 15,000. Where are we going to? The parliamentarians are doing little or nothing absolutely as a representative. Because Bankudum la sulo, Tundo la sulo, wala nyande kila parliamentarian la suloti. Wala nyande kila la suloti, ngajibe mbokulu bola nyami. Ibaje la ko, yiruwa sinano. Ni yiruwa mambono from the grassroots. Council level. Yiruwa da soto la bankoka. And we've seen that Gambia is not progressing in the area of development. Absolutely.
So, Alpha, Nico Gambia is not progressing in the area of development. Jamas Jaka. So, we've seen the president constructing roads of Jamala Keka, Nialan Kulmukul, Milian, their development. Exactly. So, then it means like you've been unfair to them. Kajako development Mantarkeka.
Yes, I can challenge that one. Because the issue is now with development. People have food on the table. This is what is lacking in the Gambia. We all know. There is no plan where Ministry of Agriculture can say that yes, 50% of this population or the populates have food on the table for 6 months from their products, from the rainy season. No, you cannot see it. You are from Sandu, you know, and you are in media, you can see people complaining. When your products or your produce cannot serve you for more than 6 months or 7 months, my brother, there is no development. Because we see the price increment. Because of what? There's no sustainability. Nimam banku di ngul noma yajele ko Senegal sulota nyine Senegal nyine muy la hamod o nyine la sulot. Senegal they have a vast knowledge on agriculture. They have a vast knowledge on production when you come in terms of agriculture. But there's a problem. There is a problem. Political interference. It's a problem in this country. That's why we are not going. That's why we are not developing. We are seeing roads, yes, constructed. We cannot deny that one. But still, people are depending on the imports of food in this country. Where's development then? When your stomach is controlled by the West, you are totally being controlled. You have not seen any kind of development. No kind, please, Ali. Because you cannot say development when you cannot even have a food on your table. In simple sense, not because of you don't have a breakfast today or you don't have a dinner today or a lunch today. No. Affordability is the problem.
So many people cannot afford.
When people cannot afford and sustain, that's a problem. There is no government official, more especially 60 to 70% of the population of the central government who are junior staffs can tell you that 3 months I don't go to the shopkeeper and lend. It's out of it. You are either being owed by a shopkeeper or you are being owed owned by a outsider.
So ila
To have
fala
food on the table.
exactly mo jama bi je me an ko man sakunda do kula julula katarina in a short time
Yeah.
ko ni ba fala in short
Yes.
exactly mbadi on alka konku tv le jibe doron ne membi jambi wala mbadi mati arfan jawla me ka cha kam men wala mun na banko la koti comme mbi yalo nyamen kulbe ta kan nyaadi ne banko kanjang arfan ngaje recently coalition building fana be kan andu ngane coalition we momentum bon sa ko itale men keda talib sa ye talib le tombon ba janni talib tombo rek ngaje isa fal keda mot mi an ka withdraw so ñim ite am da ñim be mu ne fitting kan gambia no le ahead of the December 5th election me an ko endekale banko kan this year
Aliou ni ajibi hanisambe protocol kono Gambia political environment, there is no single party that is contesting for an election in this country. Even the ruling party is a coalition party. And then we can now say that one they have already settled because Barrow is their flag bearer. For the area of Talib and the core and UDP and the other parties, we've seen that they are also forming a coalition. Although the youth of this country want to take this political environment as an opportunity. As an opportunity. They have little experience in politics. Local government inquiries, Talbe was found wanting. Even it's going to be 10% corruption, he was found wanting. Talbe should have stayed at UDP, but Talbe come with a motive to lead. If you don't lead, if you are not going to be, if you don't want people to lead you or to be lead, you cannot lead people. You are either being lead or you lead. But these youths want to take this political environment or opportunity as a scapegoat, I can say, to enrich themselves or to acquire positions. If they have a traveling opportunity, they abscond. They come totally abscond. And then they have nothing to put in place. Taliban party, I can say it's not structured.
UMC is not structured.
It's not structured.
But they have their party leader and deputy.
They have their party leader. If you go to Sandu, they have no representative in Sandu. Why is it structured now?
They have no representative in Sandu.
Sandu.
How?
They should name their representative because we don't know their representative in Sandu. The Sandu people have not seen Talib. From the interview now here. They have not seen Talib since even in the time he was at UDP. If you want to lead people, my brother, you have to travel the length and breadth of this country. You know the traditional political aspects or political roots because there are ways to channel. We can see UDP as a party, though they are not in government, they have not led since their inception. But you go to any region, they have that structure. You go to any local government council from the council level or the grassroots level, they have a representative. But we can see from other parties, they don't have that one. Only based in Combo. I don't term them as political parties. Some of their camps or their associations, I can term them as.
So
they are not
is
political
UMC as an association?
No, we cannot tell them, we cannot categorically put them as an association because they have already registered. But if you look at certain political parties that join the UMC, they are not political parties. They have not registered. They are not even known in the country. People don't even know them.
So are you trying to suggest that some of the people in the coalition talks are not known?
They are not known.
Is it Sidadi?
Well, I cannot say it's Sidad, but they are not known in the country. Because if you look at the political party, you want to be a political party, my brother, you have to get representatives from council level. Even if you are a new political party, there are certain regions or wards, you should have a representative. That's what is lacking in some of the political parties.
UMC lot sign. So you don't expect them to do. Maybe they are forming their everything and they've been structured. It's just that they are yet to inform people that committee is structured.
Yeah,
Don't you think it's too early for people to say that?
Because if UMC can buy a pickup, can buy motorcycles, I think UMC don't lack that fuel to tour the length and breadth of this country and institute a representative in certain regions or in certain wards. They should at least have that one before buying a pickup. Even going to be 3 vehicles or 4 try to engage people, have dialogue with them. You will have representatives. Having that representative, if you are in Banjul or anywhere, those people will also speak on your behalf, at least to mobilize people to your party. This is what you call political party or political party formation. You are forming a party. It's not only registering, but you should have at least a representative that's going to speak on your behalf so that you can mobilize at least many electorates.
Exactly. So, Badioni, and Sandrambe Congo TV, the GB, Albe Congo TV, the GB Kandro, be Nemembe Jawlam Badi Matalafa, na program make ava na banko. So, make a chakan Kujamana, so Alafan. Lane cool be colaring banko can, so near a balua caro, but will be colaring. Sansol Fanan Nituluma Fananda colaring. So, it Hamutaman Sakundali and the Munekela, Urukain Bankudun Bondin Mantura Sifalcon.
Hello, it's very simple, but it's going to be difficult for the state to do it. If they play their card properly or wisely. Hello, it's not because of projects. We have seen projects in this country. They don't take us anywhere. Hello, Korea me banko kan ni nata balwoni oda iras kibi. Masakunda sa mitigate mo. Until science and the border crisis, many farmers find it difficult to access their land. You see the politics? States should at least engage, thorough engagement from one region to another. States and some Minister of Foreign Affairs to Senegal. Even not coming back from Senegal, we see other part of URD being affected, CRD being affected. Abe kolea la falan atatalan nga nema fion so dañu banko kan men ci kolea talano balura ko talano alu sometimes when it rains or sometimes we find it difficult even to have one of the most cheapest fish in this country was what chalo. We cannot have it at the market. It's expensive now for the poor people to buy that one at the market. We are not making the best use of Atlantic Ocean, our river. We should make the best use of that one to at least mitigate some of those issues. By then even $10, $15, you can have that one for a meal. But not even $50, you cannot have it. The authorities know, but they are not solving the problem. Because they depend solely on the capitalists. Any state that depends on the capitalists, your people will die. And they will die for sure.
So meaning we have been adopting a capitalist system.
We are in a capitalist state. Complete capitalist state. Yes, because the president stood before the people of Banjul, tell them that if you elect me, I'll bring in what? Factories, industries, where people will work. Saying president mem for Banjulum Kole before election. Akoy ko nale karto fayni nsira nyi sirankan. Janin next election. Na next time be doku bundali yele be create la factory molbe doko kala je banku dun be doko kala but I have not seen it.
So ite maji
and Banjulun call they can bear me witness on that. The video is still online. It's circulating. Video nying kibaro nyimbe janjandinde ajajanda media bundal toy jamane bundal kanne mol ya jele and then a fotale barintele mol je because mol lota hani bakuye ni kudol bije be talalale abe mol jamabe doko because in bangola population is too small bangola momembe ni banko kan compare nyani banku dol jibe aman siyawo nya but hani say man doko bundal sotono bake melalanko wo factory lo lota wo isino lo lota pour morsi doko keno damin ndel maaje ande nace de fanan odo amampare ndel maaje dak an banku diwon kafole wado banko doku bundal man create man yele e mallo o mu kulati melan kay mul batandi o karola an banko kolyal be kerin kolyam man dang balwo damanna kolyam man dang samala tinyaro damanna najele ko mo fani kudol be siar banko kan wotumo gambia manyillo masakundala doku wolam banku di wo banku di ye tanko soto ye niyo ye tanko soto ila korda o ye tanko soto ila nafulo nin ila bakasi dol melalan kafoko felle melalan ko masakundal nyanda kol be tankande bari ñini keda kuti melan ko akede jahal ko ñim banko kan mfona kaje ko mo fanni ñin be siaring banko kan nyapin kan be siaring nyapin kan sifa siata bari ngaji wol be siaring banko kan to nya masakunda ba kata kan bari safo masakunda ko ita stop no la because malaf boda la stop la di boda entry point sol banko la dundulal ni finti dulal wala nyanda ka stop sign abe sorom mul kana banko kan nyamen ayna banku dun influence bakele on side of crime la karola siatan mafo mo fam ka kenunde bar sa siya baketal be nyabal medial bafala kajele masakunda nyanda sida ni telte project kenola wala area la pour mel bakena ko woti stokno the University of the Gambia ta ya engage University of the Gambia masakunda la karambunglam masakunda university karambung tanole iniye MOU sign ya kisikisiro ke nyila kola ndara kisikisiro ngamenje ko nalal ye banku diun influence bakel ane kanyi mel beje munela a contributor na bankola tankola karola ayi batandi bakel because mol ka dun nanne e ka dunna nyamen mol ke yel wolu mol be dunna mol be findira duna siada fintoti mel kadum a contributor bakele na bankola tankarola area ye batandi wo karola bakele because nyaajibe abe kala sira ma fionglati ndel man sira ma fiongle ka bo bandale ka duna banko kan anda be kol yala bakele ay stop nim bodal man control masakunda nyanda ka songo area lale is their fault is their lapses bari hani saying amantambi masakunda si banko dun nya fitanole ini karambu baye si University of the Gambia ye kisikisirol ni research ni kodol ke ni si talano nyaadile banko developta ye kisikisirol le ke yele university le bula ye kol ke amanke ko ibe tubabol le commandida na World Bank IMF African Development Bank ECOWAS this are ñinimu fenkol de association of the melialan kafo ko they are completely weak. They are weak to standard because ika kunoni mella wala nyande mel nafala amuka futa naka futa fana is too low nga jikina banku diung la nga jikina university la mel ye nyin mel si nyin bayno IMF ka depend research they can they have schools they have institutions they have scholars mel ka research ke I don't believe in IMF I don't believe in the World Bank. I don't believe in ECOWAS, my own region.
Why?
They are doing little or nothing, absolutely. ECOWAS. Little or nothing, absolutely. It's a small region. Very difficult to control. Who is funding ECOWAS should be known. Number one, ni left na tundo. Na ECOWAS tundo ye tango soto, ye yirwa soto. Nyanda kolon.
Meaning million ko leka na fulo dira.
Meka na fulo di ECOWAS. Anyanda kolon because France is a contributor. EU is a contributor. America is a contributor. Now tell me, those people, nila agenda man fasa ECOWAS, then we are nowhere, we are not represented. Very simple and straightforward. From Gambian perspective or from Gambian region, let's shift a close look at Benin. Made a counter coup. Nigeria flew a jet fighter to bomb those people. But Nigeria cannot bomb a terrorist in Borno State. Why? Tell me. Nigeria cannot have that collaboration. Yo, Nigeria nyanta ini Mali, ini Burkina Faso, ini Niger. Ye bloody nyola nyilem banko de terrorist be regional mel. Ye bloody nyola yo terrorist kele ye be bom. Ninga Cairo ni Tenkung ni Sabato soto na Tundoro. Wallahi tubabol vina they have to come and answer to us. We have all resources. Like Gambia.
So ila fa fala ko ninga katanga nyatunga kennol soto tubabol sike mut me alon ko fala be sule la mo la man ke kon delle be katala jenga sule.
ha amanke nyaton kendo damande e kan nyaton ka kendo sotole bar woke la moy molla e be nyaton ko kendo la sotola nyaton ko mi alon ko ala banku dum la sulo ayalon ala banku dum la taxta aya use wisely banku la development no julol yetala ni IMF World Bank ntelle be sambakan
mu jama si jakali
ha isi jakali nyum kumola bar nin to nyaabije be nga sida platform do Sidi Cisse, Minister of Finance, is it Sidi Cisse? Is it Sidi Keda? Sidi Keda. Sidi Keda nyanda kalnoko IMF interest le be Gambia London. World Bank said America pay little or nothing. They don't pay anything when they take loan from the World Bank. Why Africa should pay loan? Interest rather. Why should we pay interest? Manyana ka interest o jo woto. Saindeli ECOWAS region Gambia siyaji be ko na fankaso na yiritenda bomba tenda bridge na wali use na nema fond be na banko kane yin black sanol na tax na domestic tax na use na jibe mbe mune kenola banko be yirwala nyadile sino be yirwano la nyadi ni sino yirwata ali I tell you no lie mom fan ya foy nin Gambia dingun ye ila 10 months living soro ila baluwo soro ila kunewol kono o ila stol kono a manolom bang a nyolom bang a tiolom bang ali undele nga foy ko Gambia dun be yirwa kadirung soda yirwa tariyarung kende ke fam yirwa tariyarung because muneketa baluwo bantale bi kaddi nimero onje sate o kono o ko nyinum fenkoti sutiyota ko koyta jakalo miro muneketa baluwo bi ni de man baluwo soto ebe batala
so baluwo kole abata Gambia
baluwo ni baluwo kole ata banko ka sasa ka siya sunyaro ka siya mo fabe siya la abem baluwo everybody should live and everybody is fighting for survival ni mo kulati ndele nyaton ko nyanta mel landila na ECOWAS legal e fata dono sole e fata mola milke so ko libe so la kolola ay ke ECOWAS tundola condition o kanti ndel be muna fight kan lafta yirwa nyaadi lafta survival on lafta senole tala nga yirwandi ni nga seno yirwata na molsi balwo sotono but EU World Bank are capitalists. It's a capitalist. Il lafta le nga sang mba sanal dum ane nga sang we have to answer to their tune or dance to their tune woman tell samba dulata ay murundi koman because Gambia iko barobe silada silobe de daka we have SUVs bloody float we have SUVs we don't have enough drugs at a hospital we have SUVs we have no contingency plan for this nation when it comes in terms of disaster little or nothing
so ning alamantangala cool nata nying alandar cool nata so ilafta fala we don't have that contingency plan me alon ko be kambe di mala
alu ma wosoto niake budgeto kono is nothing absolutely because ngai alandar fiol jele kita jang alandar kul kita janne mulka kumbo wasiol kana but abe munati is not only on the budget paper it have to be a practical issue on the ground you look at the social development policy every nation have their contingency plan it's not only on paper. The budget have to be there. And then machines should be on place. Iko corona nata janne, Ebola nata janne. All these are funded. Gambia tale na hel worker jijani complaint tale ko mira kodol soto and it will be front line. Only health worker mantra front line. Najele ko security fanal bijele. Having media personnel should be front line because muneketa eka kibarol janjandile and then they play a very important role. Ye siro menta woto siro me walanje media akumara bakel because molke la moylal munebe banjul munebe soma munebe farafenye munebe basse media ko bandi ngoli ani better front line akumara bakel banko ila contingency plan soro and then that contingency plan ferol le nyanda kar kela do kulle be kela duma nin sasal nata mol nyanta mala nyaadi de alandar sasal o tiñarol le keta mol nyanda ka ba nyaadile wol nyanda tara manya to hel dam mambulu na ketar wol be findila wol nyanda kilo la do ko lati community sensitization it should be a routine one but ni tara health wol nim problem dole bol kunka o kolya ku dole bol kunka katum mem fola mol la kanyini samba ando mol nyanda kila molti mel nyanda ka karang andi la karang man nyanda danako watini wat ande continuously lati anyanda kala munadi wati o wati lati anyanda tara talal nanate ba samba iba ko talala nyame be more sensitize la nyame wonyanda sotolal aliu nga kolya ku do soto o nga isu do soto nyanda ka même fo president way when it comes to national development amanke ko njurutala nda jutuno la nyaton ko inyanda ka bu nyale ya horoma bari bilaf la president fond nyinte mati be findilale first hand information o mel yalon ko mol la kolya ko li fond da kono mol mel be batari nde jiate sambalaji hanin be sambalaji ate ndella fi la fond ni interaction o ni o kacha soro private media houses all o voluntary wanol mel yalon ko wol ba ke kanne ibe wuli kannan ni yeni banko diwne si kolya be lari mel kay yalon president SUV kal afu ya stop ka sanyi banko kan Gambia manke SUV country president ka lafin ka banko samba nyato SUV sanda banko samba la nyato SUV ka fuel problemo ka maintain problemo ata sustain nola ndenya bala loptanol to Banjul musu fula ibe lari musu kono ma fula be lari ibebe lari mu ne ko laran kilim ainda mul balo falal boro nyanda ko soro nyim banko kan ay enough president ay mul stop ka boro import na nyim banko kan held la nyanda boro import na nyim banko kan held ya import mul ya sang helpful pharmacy ya sangebul banko be yiro wala Land Rover sang ngai be matrawal jela ko dul Land Rover kono najela loptano lo janabi loptano lo la ay konko le kele stomach ay kono le kele konko wallahi bang president konko kele ali wa afo president baro ko na konko kele nyim banko ka UDP mo mighty party nyim banko kan mulbe bole no me bulala president baro no Gambia di lafta munela konko kolea memu konko te aybo Gambia di wo Gambia di lafta munela balu kendo ay jara rosol ma fa molmu ke ne jara nyim banko kande ni nga fan si fanya because mera data soto abe kole ala bake Gambia dingu molti melan ka lafta la banko la ndemang Gambia dingu je melan ko intellectual na help vocal ilafta nyim banko la aliude ilafta niyeje live dano la nyin siro ko rumo polisol ni sojaro la sabar bi help vocal la sara live dano la I tell you no la aliu nda fan ya fole ila londo e fahamo men soto la karora ni a joran soto masa kunda ye sembentu ya ye salary kendo londiye wala aliu molbe wala Senegal molbe bola nang hani Mali bi ne jaar la ñim banko kam ata kala nu kunkuti nga Gambia dong la je banko ka Angleterre America te developed countries mi la lan ka fo Gambia manke developed country Gambia is not a developing country you don't even start development e keke development rank le but man tra kono Gambia dong la kana with what distinctions when you come in terms of surgery area orthopedics nkol bejele Gambia dong lom ni tata University of the Gambia ni tata Ohio tata Michigan tata Oxford China wallahi nim president SUV ka sang stop ay ni doctoral muta ay sembentu ay ni nosol aliou wallahi billahi president Barrow CIA la Gambia dun be campagne o kelay ban nyaaji bi Gambia dun be bula political party dol no me ba challenge la melka bula president Barrow noma political party mel ka bula noma they are stranded konkole be la kodite bulu iba bula kam president Barrow noma wala aliou nsa defena birim mama kandel Ahmad Balam bang because I will not talk about Professor Sisi Ndata Fola.
Dr. Sisi.
Dr. Sisi Ndata Fola. Dr. El lecture, ngalon ay lecture. Ay karandile. Every political party agenda la soto. Ni no agenda soto e nakita president ema agenda soto. Afo president baro ko SUV ka sang stop a procurement official ya stop. Ini health worker le si, ini farmer le si, ini agriculture fanga. Ini farmer le si sandu wulli pumanna jara njel sanjal foyna fo nyomi kono fo ñu kono wallahi afaya ko ni men sene balu notala 6 months afo president baro te la ayte la nti demba sabal challenge wala ay na konku tv nga challenge wala mba challenge la ko ngam mem fo natra wolam asrota a londo be bulu demba sabali president baro manyana many contestants or sort indeed when it come to fenko presidential election amanyana ka soto demba sabali mala do ko ka nyanda ka kinyam Dr. Sisi ndo fola bake
Mano ne ka fi Dr. Sisi fola bake
Dr. Yen Karandile Dr. ko any political party or anybody that form a political party join other parties or incumbent doesn't have an agenda. Sa no ka join President Barokan ngaje doctor ma agenda soto doctor fanan kera modi mel ka be konkorine anda be konkorine.
So it left after Momo join the President Baron Momo alliance sign I will be konkorine.
E bebe konkorine ila palaso le palas table because the fem fono la moye me alan kafoko itasi banko falino world. UDP sanji joli imalla ya jameka. Sanji joli malla baroka. Niejele tilam political party o me yalan kafoko ye memfo e lota de stood fam e lote si mo fula sion lale ye memfo e lota wol kan andi be lola wole kan andi be tamala ni wol
par PDOS du
hay PDOS fanum party o me yalan kafe memfo e sontala but their ideology cannot work in the modern political environment.
So what do you mean by committee muna ne ko la mire anyi wote tamano la komi political ko
asi jakal bake aliou amanya ne jakal la Halifa Salamu na molet ni Halifa sitale ni Sidia sitale but ne political jibe in this generation Gambian context PDOS la pour mole la political ila political silo ka faham Gambia dun mo londo soto ima soto sain ibina Gambia dun la level to itali sim no understand no yina wo level to banku ya developed they develop on socialism in transform tale they bring in mixed system dole mixed system isolately like the West but sometimes they use it America but China use the mixed system. Any system you come they will look at it when it suit the Chinese system they'll go with it. That's why I could fully recall one of our lectures, one of the representative a student, our colleagues, told that Chinese characteristics of development cannot be applicable in Gambia or in Africa. Nin karanda je, amanki ko be Chinese system wole na nga inculcate into our people o nga transfer na mulka no. Menin tella molla silo tata no lebita. Wala kan di londi tiyo ni be diamula moli diamuye kanwala o diamuye ibe mem fahamla
so menin PDOS del ka diam moli bari muka faham
mul muka faham mul ka jere ko ite la system wonin tel titanola ne anen sitanole ni nga faham nyera manifesto jibe ite ni musilale walang anata ni kira ni banko mara ibita mun sila sifalla molla mel yalan ko ngalna ko ne banko dile be banko sambala ibe banko sambala bari amantu babol sudde tubabol mel yalan ko o company o capitalist business am wol neti tanode
wal PDOS la
system o neti tano
mire ya nyen neti tano
ay neti tano an nge fa sa wakan any business powerful business ini mansala ka doko ma fa ini mansala doko ko banyanta jamfala mansala yes social responsibility la soto ite la business o Masakunda fane silola walete ifana si yirwa ko mel natino ni na da jibe Mohamed Dia cement asa jibe no ko ndela factory be nying area karola madu ngakata ba ngani sila kare do kuje na tro ko si tambino jele mol si tambino jele wol mu kulati ida social responsibility de modi ga kurang use bakel madu fana ngakata ndebe area menna ninna waki e bulodi nyola kurang na karo jiola karo nsaji be no wo area tundo mol kurang mu ida problem mo an ndela factory ka kurang me yusa siatale ngana we donate na interest la nga do man 1% or 2% no we fane generate ba soto like farato ba floto brikamalo tundo area la milka kurang use ina we donate wala kurang is generate kendo soto generate o melan ka fo kurang ta kila kolya koti je ninka jio use na factory ka jio use nga nawek sendentu yabang ibe silo me walanna ndebe pipe o me use la kabon nawek kanante la factory to woni nyim fenke dol kana tundo dol sate dol kana pipe kilimo use nin dem social responsibility company kan ibajela ko yirwabe tariya yirwabe sotola
wala mutonyate kay mbadiuni wala mutonyate dorom comme be arfan nak momoy programme ode men do daje sa wala 5 minutes
ha
you understand so ñu mu kuti me alon ko ngafa me ngam même fodron ñu programme men dina banko la so na banko dum adada mun tele be kam farlolji rumbe yakata nga kuki je me alon ka be banko ñu sambal so ngajel recently president Adama Barrow apartala kakata tol la to mi dat to avec fennet me alon ko gambela situation be nyame aso bay no len ay minister bula various minister yeta ye dulal jibe ye dulal inaugurate kuti me just to cut cost imagine modo jolle be de no mala katawo abe siyala le fol jolle be janina abe siyala andim fane be kari jolal ko do kabo mi ko banku di ko la kon ado banku di no Senegal lati wallahi Senegal lo midi do bal lo midi milan ko ka senoleke pour yakata joro ke la tax do na mojo so man sul nyanda ko kile understand na kaje ko Umar ibn Khattab ala tariko ni data noma ala kisanye niya noma kaje ko akata nyadile wat mam man se yala aya fam ma ji nyadile kana mul kan comme ya fele kuma kan ko nyame man sul nyanda katala to engage their people amanke wato wadi kata podium mol dila but what do we see ngam munje baaka wala mu hanning ayatari ni mol mel yalon ko ita komi barol tata nyin to men naten ne podium o dile kamune president baron be tendulam be jayla e silo men nate molen be tendulam be jayla that shows that hani saying de lakuni nyin abi dasaren so president mi ete ba tendula janna ke man sadi anana man one by one anana ma concrete no fon so ka be abi fonko lala so ni tata ji al diama e ko le million kwali anyan to le moyla afo president what he need to hear kana ke ko wat lafta memmoyla ni o kere ko le mojima batani kan nañ santo da understand anim fana ni nata jibe na santo do ngamo imamo do la dun to nyala akoy ne maka moje president Barrow kan to kele fay pare mum ka lo president Barrow na dino nyanda tankala ya karo tanata jan ibitele muneke ibite majority of them ye muneke ya fayle including our own parliamentarian me Uncle Ibrahim Jedri's son and he didn't go back to engage our people he just voted it in his own favor and in the favor of his own political party me NPP and he knew very well that the people in San mul mi la Uncle but San nanol be sita wol ba fala ñu mo kulet me Uncle kakel me ñanda kala dron ali ngaji ba kenya be kala nyaadile no so wolam ko dum yalo nga ko mata baki mbadi woni mbiar fantentu lamba jeyla ni kuma soto me yalo ko lafta adline kan in just 1 minute the program da soto because sign have 2 minutes at the
nde yamaro min soto banko duniye anin president ye ba fala president Barrow ko ase kukilun korose ko na fulol ka bala to kundo ya fo ko mol kono president Barrow ay councilor sotole ay député sotole ay gouverneur sotole ay engage ay ministre sotole ñin to siata president Barrow ñanta la gouverneur na la ministre na representative be bay lay man rado ko jawar la waton to forno ba jabele waton kajele only once sinya clean akolek Asam president baro ka siya sinya kin kata inauguration la kata tolla ngaje ko kodo men ka buja ka siya lo tanul sudatala hani inequality gap do kulal fang sudata kodo fang mena kila salary increase asiata president baro ko 30% is nothing hana ma fe increase o siata ala jibe abitakan nyamen awu bondi mulle bije milliard ka bi ibatale do kulatale e ka kumul futanda na telema through various channels sol silol la melan ka fo mulle bolto nol mandar do ko la bake president ka finti bake ayanda la mo cabinet be bayla name bayno ay do ko tonto e tongoto ko yalbe kerne president ya kata ani banku diwne si yake media asi use nole private media houses sol aye use akela moyla first hand information about soto lelale ibaje la ko kujuma bi jabe abe talalal anim fanan president baro na ya maroto ECOWAS ko 2 times ECOWAS lota wole kan an president baro akata yeji 2 times ni melbe no may be dundi kanni sama sini delle lota jayi ko e munafo ya jamel dundala itel man dungala president baro banko diwni e kanule president baro ndokun kiro nge kanule because mu gambia dingolti mu misiri molati malla fi nganyom misiri mo jije duna ku ko mealan kafo ko sama sinata di yalla mbolo si fay e fonyo nie fonyo ha president baro jiki babe nyaato anden na nyaaton kol na gambia lampol le mun na dina tiolti e sembentu ya ye tanka molde social media be bulalele be nene be mol nenna hayde president baro fon dol kete nenne ndem ki la political ideology mukabe support o ila taransido be mukabe support ha bari akata ye media control baki ismela sisera do ko la alam futalde alam fu baba ketale anin yakata lanjur tol yedundi la masakunda kono ila cabinet fon ye lanjur tol soto ji inin jidi sila MOU lanjur tol do diamuti adunta na bake because masakunda jama biye kala lanjur tol bla ko male lafta fanan ye private media houses should invite state house ini ye kacha bake banko la ko le melong memem fala konku TV ngal tendu ngal jay president baro isi fonyo ye sabari e kanata next time la yela ko do so reta si ECOWAS munda ye lundi silola molta bake ma ECOWAS chairmanship so nyama ay malu bake wala kan koy ji ye fonyo ala barka bake ala mon sudo kairo si ala konku TV ngal tendu ngal
madi na la barka bake na banko lam doron bi mbedan na janne fo senen dumandoni ala kicala ngana le wate kilimona kabo talan say kata talan kononto programme be karna la jang pour ka kacana banko la kwal ala baraka bake menna arfam fanten dulam ba jeyla ko makan kendo la même fo ngada mo jama la ba jibe kan ala baraka